Let's draw the spin lock in front of us. Our dimensions are in inches, so you're gonna go new there, English standard inches, and then you say create. Once we are here, we're going to start with a line. So there's our line, and this one here need to be 2.5 inches. So 2.5 it is. Enter. Then we're gonna go with our first circle. So there is our first circle. Okay, and this circle here need to be 1 inch. As you could see, you need to make sure that this one here is tangent to that line. You could see that it was tangent, but just to show you, I'm gonna click on that, and then you see it is already tangent. That is good. Now you're gonna go for your second line, and this one as well needs to be tangent to that circle, and between these two we need to have 40 degrees. So 40 degrees, and then we also need to have this circle here. Okay, there it is, and that circle is tangent there, needed to be tangent as well. And this circle here needs to be 0.2 inches. That is good. Now the distance between this one here and that center needs to be 1.16 inches. That is done. Then we're gonna go for the third circle. So this circle here between this circle needs to be tangent. Sorry, this line needs to be tangent to that circle. They need to be tangent anyway. And then we're gonna go for the third circle. So this circle here needs to be equal to that one. Okay, and it needs to be tangent. That line needs to be tangent to this one. It is tangent. That's good. Now we need to make sure that the distance between this one, sorry, come on, the distance between this one here and that one need to be half an inch. So 1.5 inch it is. Then we're gonna go for should say the fourth line. Yes, the fourth line, and this one as well needs to be tangent to that one there. Okay, so it is tangent. Now we're going to also draw a circle. Then this circle here need to be equal to these other small circles. That is good. Okay, now we need to make sure that the distance between this one here and that one there is 0.28 inches. Okay, good. And the distance between this one and that one need to be half an inch as well. So 1.5 it is. Okay, after that we're gonna go for our last line. So there it is, coming from there to there. Oh, let me draw it this way, sorry for that. Coming from there to there, and this line here need to be tangent to that one. It is tangent. Now that we have all this in place, everything is done, what you're gonna do now, you need to trim everything that is not needed. So you're gonna come on trim there. Now you trim that, you don't need that. You come here, you trim this part, you trim there. You come here as well, you trim that part, you trim this one, come on. Okay, you come here, you trim that one. Now everything is done. So you're gonna come here and say finish sketch. So this is the frame of our drawing. Now you need to draw the profile of our whole frame here. So you're gonna come and select a parallel plane to our main plane. So you're gonna say XY, and then you're gonna say new sketch. Here you're going to draw the profile, and our profile is a circle having a dimension of 0.12 inches to 12 inches. That is done. Now we're gonna go like this. Okay, then you're gonna go in 3D model, you're gonna click sweep. The profile is already chosen. Now we need to choose a curve. Yes, the profile is chosen. There's the profile, there's the path. Now we have our pin lock. So you're gonna say okay, that is your pin lock, you've designed it. What you're gonna do next is you I'm gonna give you the material. So this one here need to be stainless steel. Where's stainless steel here? There's stainless steel. Come on, why is it not changing? Stainless steel. Okay. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.